Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Have you noticed that the screen on your Lenovo flops backwards on its own? This is often due to a loose hinge, which can occur over time with regular use. If left unattended, this issue can worsen and potentially lead to further damage, making the screen unusable. Fortunately, this is a problem that can be fixed with a bit of patience and the right tools. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some replacement screws or a new hinge if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered down and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the casing around the screen. Take your time here, as rushing can lead to damage. Once the casing is off, locate the hinge assembly. It's usually found at the sides of the screen. You may see some screws holding it in place. These are the ones you'll need to remove. Carefully unscrew them using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you keep them in a safe spot. As you remove the screws, be cautious of any connected cables. Gently disconnect any cables that may be in the way, but take care to avoid pulling on them too hard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the hinge is free from screws and cables, you can carefully extract it from its housing. If you're replacing it, position the new hinge in place and secure it using the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened sufficiently, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the hinge. After securing the new hinge, reattach any cables you disconnected earlier. Now it's time to test the screen's movement before closing the device. Gently lift and lower the screen to ensure it operates smoothly. If everything feels right, replace the casing by aligning it properly and pressing it back into place until you hear a click. Finally, power your device back on to confirm that the repair was successful. To prevent this issue from arising again, be mindful of how you open and close your laptop. Avoid applying excessive force to the screen and ensure that you are not holding the laptop by the screen itself. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.